McDonough, downtown McDonough Square. I'm jamming with a band tonight. That's my setup, but I wanted to show you a little bit of the band first. They got a real nice look to them, real professional. Patched into me. This is their gear right here, but they're patched into my system right here. I got them on channel 1. Yeah, it's your boy DJ HD, baby. We're gonna get this thing popping tonight. It's your boy, man. Let's go.